Here is a guide on how to play Please Donate in Roblox. There are two kinds to think about Please Donate, like donating Robux or receiving Robux donations, and I'll show you how to do both. First, if you want to donate Robux, first you need to go ahead and simply search for the Please Donate game on Roblox. Once the game has been started, if you want to donate Robux, you just need to simply go to a stand where you want to donate. Here you will see the Robux displayed that you can go ahead and click on it to donate. Here is the option of 5 Robux each. So if you want to donate, tap on this Robux over here and you'll get the donate option. Go ahead and tap on donate and you'll be done. Now, if you want to set up your own stand and receive donations, here's how to do it. Go ahead, let's select this stand, press the E key on your keyboard or simply tap on this over here. Here you can see that I have claimed this stand. You need to find an unclaimed stand, which will be labeled as unclaimed, and you can go for it and hold E or the indicated button to claim it. And once claimed, the stand will be displayed on your stand name and the amount of the Robux you've received. Now you can change the text at the top. For example, press E on your keyboard to edit the stand. Tap on this text option over here, which is below the booth. Now here you can type in such as hi or anything that you like. Now you can see that the changes has been applied. And if you see on the chat section over here, you'll see the name of the people who have donated or who have received the donation. You can also chat by typing your message over here and sending it to the server. So that's it for this video. This is how you can donate and receive donations on Please Donate. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.